In this lesson, we are going to learn about what is SEO. So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Let's look at the definition. It's the practice of optimizing content to be discovered through a search engine's organic search results. Now let's break this down to understand it better. So it's the practice of optimizing content. Now what kind of content are we talking about over here? It is a website content. Now your website will have might have different types of content. It might have text, it might have images, videos and so on. So whatever content you're putting on your website, you need to tell the search engines that okay, this is the content we have on our website. It is related to this topic, and when someone searches on that search engine related to our topic, then our website should be there. So we need to tell Google or any search engine that our website should be discovered on the search engine. So let's look at the second part now. Search engines organic search results. Now to understand what is organic search results, we'll need to head over to Google's search engine and see what part is exactly called as the organic search results. Now this is the Google search engine. So we have put the text buy laptop online. So whatever text we put over here in the search bar, now this particular part is called as a search bar, and the text you put over here is called as a search term or search query. So the search query that we have put over here is buy laptop online. Now as a user, suppose I want to buy a laptop and I just search for it and see what are the options available. So firstly I can see that there is a paid ad. Now how do we know that this is a paid ad? Over here you can see ads, the term ads. So this is a paid ad. Again there is a term ad. Again this is a paid ad, this is a paid ad, this is a paid ad. Now these four ads or these four results that we see, they are not a part of SEO. So if you put any amount of SEO on your SEO efforts on your website, they will not be seen on this section because these are section for paid ads. Below that if you see, there is a result for say Reliance Digital, there is something for Chroma and so on. So these are organic search results. Whatever SEO efforts you put, they will be seen over here. Now how do you know which is a paid and which is an organic search result or a SEO result? Simply based on this text, the term ad, and secondly based on the format. So like you can see, there is a URL, there is one clickable text, there is a two-liner description. So this particular format, when you see, it is definitely an organic search result. So whatever SEO efforts you will be putting, it will be seen over here. Is Google the only search engine we can do SEO for? Definitely not. So apart from Google, there are many more search engines. There is Bing by Microsoft. You must be knowing about that. Then there is Yandex. Now Yandex search engine is popular in Russia. So if you have a website which caters to say Russian audience, then you would want to target Yandex as your search engine. Similarly, if your audience is in China, then you would want to work on the search engine called as Baidu and so on. So it totally depends on who your audience is, where they are heading to. Depending on that, you can decide your search engine or the platform. Similarly, if you have say video, if you do not have a website but you have a lot of videos which you want to promote or be on SEO, then of course in Google also videos can be seen, but you need to target YouTube for that. Okay, so there is something called as YouTube SEO. So whenever you create a video, you will definitely host it on YouTube because it's free and there are many audience over there. Many people head to YouTube and they might see your videos, and you want to do SEO for your video. How do you do that? You will be optimizing your video content. You will be optimizing the description around it. So like you can see in the screenshot, you can see that if we search for say this term Dalgona coffee, then there are some search results. Now these are organic search results. You can see that there are recipes which explain or which have the content related to your search term. So now why is this ranking over here? Because of the text, the description that the video creator has put, because of the views, because of the popularity of that particular video, because of the content and so on. So if you want to rank on say YouTube SEO, you need to put your efforts, SEO efforts for that particular video. Similarly, if you want to rank for say Amazon SEO, now who ranks on Amazon SEO? If you have a product, so you want your product to rank on Amazon SEO, you are selling your product on say Amazon, then you want your product to be searchable, or to be clicked by users who search something on Amazon. So if someone searches for say Samsung A22, that smartphone, then you will see that there is one sponsored ad, there is another sponsored ad, and then there are some free listings. So these are organic search results on the Amazon's SEO. Now look, let's have a look at YouTube SEO and Amazon SEO on their respective website. So this is the YouTube search page. When someone searches for say Samsung A22 reviews, you can see that there are organic search results. There are some videos which actually give you the Samsung A22 smartphones reviews. So if you create such kind of a video and you want to rank for this particular term, then you would want your title, your description, whatever text you're putting for that particular video, it should match that particular search term, right? And also it also depends on how many views your video has got, or how popular it is, and so on. Depending on that, the organic search results of YouTube will show your videos. Let's move on to say Amazon. Now in Amazon, if someone has searched for say Samsung A22 the smartphone, then like you saw, there is a sponsored result and there are some organic search results. Now depending on how many of these products are sold, how popular it is, how much is the how many times it has been returned by customers saying that no, this is not the product I've ordered, and so on. We use the sellers also get negative reviews, so depending on the reviews, ratings, and so on. Also the description that is attached to this particular product, the images, etc., Amazon will decide which particular product will come on the top, or which seller will come on the top and which will go to the bottom, and so on. So these are the organic search results on Amazon. Now, why is SEO considered an important aspect of any marketing strategy? Firstly, it is free. So whenever you go for say sponsored ads, paid ads, you need to pay to Google. So now this payment can be done based on impressions, that is how many times your ads or your website is seen on Google. Secondly, how many times it has been clicked. So there are many criteria. Whatever criteria we choose on, the payment depends on that. In SEO, that is not the case. It will be free. So you have your own website, you are putting content on your website, or you have some existing content and you're doing some optimizations to it, and then you can be seen on Google, right? So depending on what kind of SEO efforts you have put, have you put it correctly, have you used the correct search terms or whatever terms users are using, and so on. Depending on that, your website will be there on Google and it will be free. Second point is consistency. Now your website will be there. It will not be removed unless you do some spammy tactics. For example, you have done something which Google will not approve. So if that is the case, then your website will be removed. You might be shown on search results for a few days, but then it will be removed by Google guys. Third point is it reaches the website audience. So that particular websites, be it Amazon, YouTube, or Google, or any search engine, whoever heads over to that particular website. Now, like we know, there are millions of visitors heading over to Google, and out of them, say many will be searching for your product, and you want that whoever is searching for my product or my any search term related to my topic, then my website should be shown to them, right? So you have a website audience over there who is searching for your product, then you definitely want to be there. So SEO helps with that. So quiz time. SEO stands for search engine organization, social engine optimization, search engine optimization, or search education optimization. The correct answer is search engine optimization. Results of SEO can be seen in organic search results, paid search results, sponsored results, or none of these. The answer is organic search results. So that's it for this session, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.